Good morning, tribe. Let's do a quick video, a quick breakdown of a simple setup I have going on. Nothing too crazy. We're just going to trade the chart. I just have my EMAs up, my 20. My 9 is my orange. The green is my 20. I have my 50 here, and I also have the 200. I also have the same setup pretty much on the 15-minute. As you can see here. So I do most of my charting on here, and I do my trade executions on the 5-minute. Nice and simple setup. I'm looking for a bull flag into my EMAs. It can go past my 9 and then bounce off either my 20 or my 50. If it goes below that, I'm looking for the trend to reverse. But I also trade with my setup something that the Oracle O has found, which was called the Casey setup from another trader on Twitter. And he does have a Discord. His name is Casey, and he does the 15-minute supply and demand zones the way he does them. And I've used that setup. It's a very good resistance and support area demand supply zone. So that's what I have been using in conjunction with my setup with the EMAs and the flag breaks and the actionable signals from the strat. 1 second. Today is Wednesday, August 14th, and what economic news we want to be ahead and also know what's going on today. For today at 8:30 we have CPI year over year, core CPI year over year, all at 8:30 coming out today. So that's before the market opens. I trade options, so I like to look at the SPY, the Qs, and I got my Fab 7 here, which is Tesla, Apple, Meta, Google, Amazon, AMD, Nvidia. Those are the I like them. They're nice and liquid. One out the money options. We try to do at least 2 days DTE. So, all right, let's just do a quick breakdown what we have on the SPY today on the 15-minute. The SPY, I just basically have a resistance area. I'll draw this zone, but I don't really like it, so I probably won't be trading the SPY today. I like to have more wicks, longer wicks into another body. The demand area I see here, though, I like this demand area here, and that's going to be starting around 537.18 on the SPY. So that's an area I'll be watching for a bounce or price trying to get back to. But going long, I really don't see any opportunity right now. Pre-market, we're pretty flat, but that's the SPY. Let's see what we have on the Qs. The Qs is pretty much the same thing. We had an area this yesterday that it broke above, and it kept going, and that's what we like to see. So this area, it broke pre-market and it did its thing. So now let's go back down. Let's see what we have here. All right, I'll take here as a demand area, and that demand area will start around roughly 456.76 is where I would like a price to come back to, and then possibly set up for a bounce off there and a run. Let's see. I don't really have a demand area. I mean a supply area. So I just have resistance at 462.89 on the Qs. All right, let's go to Tesla. What we have with Tesla? Tesla, we have a much more interesting chart. Tesla, I will be looking for calls with everything else setting up after price breaks 208.49, and with for going short, I will be looking for shorts or put options after price holds breaks and holds 197.09. That's on Tesla. And barring on my 5 minute, my setup is setting up for shorts if that's the case. But right now to go long, I'm looking for 208.49. I will be doing pre-market areas too. So let's see what we got on Microsoft. We do have a little bit of a nicer chart for me. Here we go. Nice and simple. Okay, I'm looking for longs above 414.98, which price is currently above. We also do pre-market highs and lows, and I need price to be above those areas. So right now price is the pre-market highs is 415.20, so I would need price to be above that, and it's above my supply area, indicating that shorts have lost and bulls are pushing. So right now Microsoft is leading on my areas to trade. So I'm just gonna give myself a little reminder here, and also write in what that is. And this is a pre-market high. Okay, so I need price to break above this when the market opens. So price can continue to go up higher, and it probably will, as it's doing right now. We're gonna wait and see, and then as soon as the market opens, we'll mark off exactly where the high is. Pre-market high was. And for shorts, I want price to break below. I want price to break below. Where are you? I want price to break below 409.53, and that's on Microsoft. So Microsoft is leading right now for a trade long as of right now. Microsoft's the only one I have. Let's go to Meta. Ooh, nice sexy chart. Same thing. The high of day down to the next candle body, the high of the wick of the high candle, and the body of the next candle lower. And that's so I need to go long. I need price to break above. I need price to break above 531.52, and to go short on Meta, I need price to break below 518.18, and that's on Meta. So I have Meta on watch too to go long. Google, what do we got? Google is also a very, very nice chart. It's actually down right now, so let's draw out what's going on with Google. We have all that supply the price has to get through to break and hold and give me some kind of actionable signal up here somehow. A lot of price action, so it looks like it's coming down actually on Google. So I love Google, man. Very big company, and they provide a lot of opportunity for the public. So guys, be on top of Google. Look for opportunity with Google. Those boys are paying out. So right now price is below where we need it to be. So I'm looking for shorts on Google. Yeah, it's breaking prior day lows. It's doing everything. Wow. So it looks like Google wants to get down to here, another demand area. So that's where price, I believe, is going to try to get to. So right now, I'm just gonna mark off the pre-market lows, and everything is barring looks good. So we have Google going short right now. So I don't count after hours. I only count pre-market. After hours, I just in my experience doesn't work out for me. I don't like the price action. I don't count it for anything. So pre-market lows, boom. That's where we needed it to go by. And I'll be watching Google for shorts today. Wow, Google might be my setup today. And we're trying to see if Google can make it down to 159.41. It looks like price wants to try to get there. We do have a after hours bounce. Let's see. So right now Google is a little bit of a slippage going on Google. All right. Amazon. Here we go. Same thing on Amazon. Looking for longs on Amazon. $171.05. If price breaks above and holds. For shorts, I'm looking for 167.13. Some people do ask me, can I take trades in between? Yeah, but those are quick scalps, because in this area, price is bouncing around. It could decide to go way down this way and bounce off here, or just bounce around and trap bulls and bears in this area. Here, I know bulls are winning, and it's looking for a new leg up, or here, bears are winning, and it's looking for a leg down to the next area. So it's a nice distance. There's a lot of price, a lot of money involved in here, but not that much if you think about it. 167.13 to 171.05. It's not even $10. It's not just not a lot of money, not a lot of price. So that's it on there. AMD, I don't like this chart, to tell you the truth. Nvidia was pushing all day. Another chart I don't like. So I won't be trading those today. All right. So my on my watch list is Microsoft, Meta, and Google. Okay. The SPY and the Qs, they're very not really my type of charts to trade today. So Microsoft, Meta, and Google are charts I'm looking at today. Yeah, that's about it. All right. That's it, guys. Stay tuned and like and support the page. See you later.